Welcome to Keep On Growing, where anyone can grow. And on this channel we're going to show you how you can grow your own microgreens, which are healthy and tasty, nutritious. We're going to teach you an easy way to grow these, basically in almost any kind of container, from Dollar Tree containers to reusable ones that takeout containers you usually would throw away. And we're going to show you how to do them in easy systems where it's basically a set it and forget it, where you're going to be able to harvest some of them and eat them and then take them. Those are called microgreens, and then you're going to take them and transfer them into bigger containers and grow baby greens and leaf greens. And we're going to show you how to keep doing that system over and over so that you can virtually grow your own greens year-round, either indoors with some grow lights or outdoors. So if that's for you, go ahead and stick around. Click the little button down there that says subscribe, and make sure notifications are on so you don't miss any videos. And if you really want to get into it and you don't feel like watching hours and hours or days worth of YouTube videos, there's also a join button down there for members only. We're going to be having live streams where members can come in and watch the live streams and then ask questions, and I'll answer them live so that you can get all the information you need really quick. And it's only $5 a month. Get as much information as you need and quit anytime. So go ahead and do that if you're interested, and we'll see you. Remember, anyone can grow.